Hello, Violas. Today we're going to be working on page 31 in Essential Elements, Book 2. And on this page we are working on eighth note triplets. Now a triplet is when you take a group of notes where you normally have two notes of a certain value and you put instead three notes of that same value. So on this page we're doing eighth note triplets. So basically if you are playing in a time signature that would have two eighth notes in a beat, you're instead putting three eighth notes in that beat. So instead of counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, you would count 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. It's very similar to the 6/8 that we learned a couple of pages ago, but generally when you have the notes written as triplets, they don't necessarily do that triplet note value on all of the beats. Maybe only some of the beats would use the triple subdivision. You can also have 16th note triplets, so 3 16th notes in the place of 2 16th notes, and you can have quarter note triplets. We sometimes call those delayed triplets, 3 quarter notes in the place of 2 quarter notes. But on this page we're just working on the eighth note triplets. Notice how they are beamed with 3 eighth notes beamed together into a beat, and there is a number 3 under or over the beam, indicating that it is a triplet rather than 3 duple eighth notes. Let's go ahead and get used to this with the rhythm rap, number 136, and we'll play this on our open D string. Good. Now we'll play our D major scale descending with triplets, number 137. Excellent. Now we'll do number 138, which is called On the Move. Excellent. Now number 139, Slurring Triplets, is actually the same notes and rhythms as 138, but the triplets are slurred, so you keep the bow moving between the notes. So that actually might be easier because you can just keep the bow moving at the same speed throughout this. Good. Number 140 and 141 are also the same notes and rhythms, first without slurs and the second time with slurs. So we'll go ahead and do 140 triplet etude, and this is with separate bows. Now we'll do that with slurs, Little River. Good, and then the last one on this page is 142. It is called Field Song, and notice how some of the quarter notes are marked staccato with a dot under or over the note head, indicating you play those short and separate, and then others are not. So make sure that you're differentiating between the staccato quarter notes and the non-staccato quarter notes. Field Song 142. is it for page 31. I hope that you enjoy playing these pieces with triplets. We do encounter triplets quite a lot in our music, so it's really important that you do get used to rating them, and then eventually you will be playing triplets with some different note values other than eighth note. So you can look forward to that. Good luck and happy practicing.